Hello everyone, and welcome to the demo of Trinamix DDMRP. In today's world, complexity and uncertainty have become the new normal for supply chain management. With customer expectations for faster delivery, increased product variety, and global supply chain, the old rules of inventory management no longer apply. Traditional MRP systems struggle to keep up, often leading to more shortages, excess inventory, and urgent expedites. As companies face more complex planning scenarios and evolving regulatory requirements, it's clear that a new approach such as DDMRPs is essential to thrive in this challenging environment. Trinamix Resilient Demand Driven solution seamlessly integrates with Oracle Supply Planning Cloud and uses advancements in AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics to optimize supply chain configurations, enhance responsiveness, and provide execution visibility, leveraging all the benefits of the DDMRP methodology. Trinamix DDMRP provides a framework that allows companies to react and respond effectively to disruptions, mitigating their impact on the supply chain. And this approach enables multi-echelon planning with high flexibility to meet customer demand while maximizing productive capacity. It continuously adjusts to changes in factors like transit time, lead time, and external demand influences, creating efficient and synchronized plan that minimize the need for replanning and reduce waste. It uses state-of-art AI model to define the best configuration based on multiple factors like customer tolerance time, market potential lead time, sales order visibility horizon, critical operation protection, external variability, and inventory leverage and flexibility. Trinamix DDMRP helps recommend decouple points and dynamically calculates longest unprotected lead times. Once the decouple points are identified, it calculates the buffer profiles and levels using segmentations. This helps in calculating optimal buffer levels. Planners can also override these values depending on upcoming promotion or key business events. Alternatively, using predictions from Control Tower, it can be configured to dynamically adjust. Example, temporary change in lead times due to port congestions, calendar events, etc. The planning dashboard is a simple and intuitive yet very powerful tool. Through color coding, it highlights status of each item at a glance and its associated actions. Example, green lights highlights we are in optimal inventory zone. Yellow signifies an order needs to be placed today. Red highlighting we are in critical level and needs to work closely with supplier or prioritize manufacturing. Additionally, planning percentage highlights the relative priority amongst items in same color zone. This way, there are very clear action items for planners while supply chain configurations are built to handle the complexity and uncertainty. Additionally, planners can utilize unique features of Trinamix to further optimize. This helps in increasing coverage and optimize on transport cost, like multi-echelon perspective, dynamic adjustments, and optimizations. It provides you with multiple benefits such as maintain balance between target service levels, minimizing inventory, and freeing up working capital. With Trinamix DDMRP, let's reinvent planning with a simple and intuitive demand-driven approach to solve a complex problem and drive value across the network. Thank you.